Welcome to Flow Meditation. I'm going to show you step by step how to meditate in virtual reality. We start by taking the headset off the stand and unplug the charger, but we have to make sure we plug the charger back in after we use the headset. Then we make sure that the headphones are plugged in as well. We turn on the headset by pressing the button in the middle until the white light's on. On the left side, you can adjust the volume. And then we have the straps so they can be adjusted so they fit nicely on your head. Thereafter, we grab the remote and then the headphones. And now we're ready to meditate. On the bottom of the remote, we have the Oculus button. Then we have the arrow, which we use to go backwards. Then comes the touchpad, which we use to scroll. And finally, we have the clicker, which we use to select. Press on the Oculus button to center the headset and turn on the remote. Then the home screen loads. You can see the Flow VR app in the top left corner. Once the app has loaded, you use the remote to choose your mode of meditation and then press the clicker to go in.